I know you guys are like, well, we can't go outside. We can't go and do anything. But you know what? Just because outside is closed does not mean that inside is closed. And when I mean inside, I'm talking about inside you. This is the crucial and the most important time to tap into yourself and actually discover, yes, discover the greatness that lives within you. A lot of people don't know that they have a lot of good things inside of them. They think that they're not capable of doing certain things, or they think that they can't do certain things because the world is telling them that they can't do it, or someone is telling them that they can't do it. But guess what? You can do all things, and the sky's the limit. But once you open up your mind and you actually tap into your brain and you actually tap in and really take the time to actually really discover who you are, you'll be fascinated about what you're capable of doing. You'll be fascinated about how many ideas that you can come up with. So we got to use times like this to be great. So this is the perfect time for you to grow. And let me tell you, honey, a flower that's not growing, it dies. Come out of quarantine a brand new person. You want to come out of quarantine discovering who you are. Greatness is right around the corner. You better get they get تعاتيلو ولا عالم تعشق الله جن شو ما تعشقكم مالسي وش أنا تعشقن حنقولنا تعشقن أبزد لنا يو جيزة أقداسي خم دخانة كوفينا لنفسنا كنفتش لنفسهم فتشوا هيوتنا كم يجرنا خنكيرو إنا كم يجرنا إنا كنفع كم يجرنا إنا أب درجة أب حال درجة خنبت حجي أبدي أجيزة كتفتشوا لكم حنقولنا كندي نجرات كم دخل كتفضت لكم جن سهم بعضهم نحنقولكم أمنوه يجبر يخل يخطبوا لكم أقداسيو حجاب زي جزء نحنقولنا نفتشوا نلبنا نفتشوا مين أنا كم يجري إن نفسي دكير كم يجري إن هو تدكير كم يجري أنا خنفع كعوتها بهوتها لكم تحسب لكم أبزي جزء حجاب أقداسيا لقيت عاد الله هو تعاد تعشى يقول له جن حنقولنا تعشى جن نحنا بعنا power بتحنقولنا نفتشوا كن كوفيكم فتشوا أبزي أجهزة قداسية